good afternoon students. Today I am going to teach you the traditional bed making procedure followed in the 5-star hotels. Coming to the base of the bed, this is called as a frame and this is called as the plyboard on which the mattress is placed. This is called as the mattress protector, which will protect the mattress from becoming damaged. Starting with the actual procedure of bed making, we are actually doing the bed making of a single bed. The single bed is 6 feet by 3 feet, where the guest can sleep from top to bottom and turn on either sides very comfortably. Now, very important thing that we have to learn about bed making over here is, what is the size of the bed sheet that is there in my hand? It is 180 centimeters by 275 centimeters. This is the ideal size of a single bed sheet. Here, what is to be followed while doing the bed making procedure is, there is something called as hemming, which will identify the wrong side and the right side of a bed sheet. So the first bed sheet, open the folds which has directly come from the laundry and hold it with your fingers the way how I am holding it. Hold the bed sheet on the horizontal lines of the bed sheet and allow it to roll it over the bed, ensuring that the line in the center, that is the vertical line, comes exactly in the center of the mattress. Tuck the bed sheet, taking both the palms on either ends of the mattress at the head end. This is the head end where exactly I am standing, and the other side of the bed is called foot end. This is the upholstered headboard where the guest can lean onto the headboard while watching the TV or for relaxation. Now, tuck the bed sheet on either sides. Take the second bed sheet. As we already have learnt about the hemming, the second bed sheet should be ensured that the wrong side of the bed sheet is on the top side. Similarly, hold the bed sheet with your fingers and follow the same procedure how you have done the first bed sheet. But here what we have to ensure is, leave 6 to 12 inches from the headboard while laying the bed sheet. So 6 to 8 inches. 4, 8, 12. Exactly 12 inches from the head end. And the wrong side of the second bed sheet on the top side. Now, we are taking a blanket. There is no hemming for the blanket to identify the right side and the wrong side. So, I am just laying the bed sheet, blanket on the second bed sheet on the equivalent size of the second bed sheet. Straighten it up. Now go for the third sheet, which is called as night spread or crinkle sheet. We can find the sheet in a different way, which are crinkled, so hence it is called as crinkle sheet. So this sheet will be on the right side up. Now straighten till whichever way you can bend. Take the 3 sheets together, that is the second sheet, blanket and the third sheet. Fold it. Do a double fold over here and tuck the folds on either sides of the bed. Straighten it. Yes. Now we are ready with the half of the bed making is already done. So the folding that we have done is to create a space for the placement of the pillow. Now move yourself to the foot end. Make yourself comfortable. Now we did not take the help of anyone to lay the bed sheets. What we are supposed to do right now? We are supposed to remove the bed sheet one by one to straighten the bed sheets so that there are no crumbs formed on the bed making. So straighten the bed sheets as much as possible, and this should be done with utmost care, ensuring that the fold at the head end is not disturbed. Yes. This is something that we have to learn. Join your palms, put it at the center of the mattress at the foot end, tuck in all the bed sheets and straighten it by using your palms. Now stand up. We are going to learn the mitring corner. When I am standing on the left side of the bed, hold all the bed sheets with your right hand. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hold all the bed sheets with your right hand. The hangover bed sheets should be tucked with your right hand. The triangular fold over here is called as mitring fold. Similarly, we have done the mitring fold on the left hand side corner. Go a little ahead and tuck the bed sheets completely inside. Similarly, the right hand side of the bed sheet should be held with the left hand and tuck the bed sheets which are hung over here, and the mitring fold is done. Now I am placing the pillows, and the pillow cover size is 50 by 58 centimeters. The open end of the pillow, just loosen it. Open end of the pillow should be always away from the guest. So on this bed, I am placing this pillow towards the window because the guest will come from the door or from the bathroom and use this side of the bed. So this is considered as the opposite side of the bed. Hence we are placing the pillow facing towards the window. Now what I would like learn here is, why did we place the second bed sheet on the wrong side? The morning bed is done. Now I am going to teach you the evening service. Evening service, just remove the tuck and make a 90 degrees fold over here. This is called as a night fold. So the second bed sheet that we have put on the bed while doing the bed making, the right side is facing towards the bed, and that is where the guest is going to cover himself. Now coming in between the crinkle sheet and the second sheet comes the blanket, where the guest can cover himself to give the warmth. Pillow is placed, and for beautification we will be placing a runner where the feet of the guest will come on to the runner while resting on the bed and while watching TV. This is a square pillow placed additionally on the bed for beautification and for comfort of the guest while resting himself or leaning himself onto the headboard. Push the bed back. Going back to the morning service, placement of the cushion is done, and come to the foot end. Push the bed back in accordance to the headboard. The bed making practical is completed. The time approximately taken should be 3 to 5 minutes. Video of how a bed making is done using 3 bed sheets. But in today's hotels procedures, instead of 3 bed sheets, we are using only 1 bed sheet and a duvet cover as an eco-friendly practice for saving the washing of bed sheets, electricity and water. So that is called a duvet bed making, which is called modern bed making, and this is called as a traditional bed making. Thank you, students. Thank you, students. I hope you enjoyed the bed making class today. Have a nice day.